Would you like to share what you find in your crops and pastures to help alert the WA grains industry to potential plant pest and disease threats? With the new PestFacts WA Reporter app, you can do just that. By downloading and opening up the PestFacts WA Reporter app, you'll be able to report crop and pasture pests and diseases directly from the paddock on your smartphone or tablet. Once downloaded, all you need is a name, email address and contact number, and you can get started. Clicking on each tile will provide options that take a few seconds to complete. The only information required to submit a report or request identification is the date, location, host plant and disorder. You can add extra details, such as attaching up to 3 images with a GPS location, host variety, host growth stage, the severity of the problem, or any other comments. This information will help create a more comprehensive report for easier diagnosis. Once all the required fields have been completed and you've clicked on the View and Submit button, you'll see a summary of your report, where you'll have the opportunity to select whether you'd like to be contacted by a PestFacts WA expert. You'll also have the opportunity to submit your report anonymously. Once your report has been submitted, it will be added to your report history list. If you're in a remote area with limited connectivity, the PestFacts WA Reporter app will automatically send your report as soon as you're back in range. If you find the same plant pest or disease in multiple locations, you can save time by reusing historical reports. It's as easy as selecting from a previous report submenu. Selecting Copy Report allows you to edit any option from a previous report and submit it as a new report. Selecting View Report allows you to view the submitted report details. We're committed to making the process of submitting a report even easier. By clicking on the Feedback button on the top left-hand corner, you can raise an issue with the app or comment on what features you'd like to see available. By clicking on the Share button on the top right-hand side, you're able to share PestFacts WA Reporter app with your family, friends and colleagues. To learn more about PestFacts WA, head over to our About PestFacts webpage to access our webinars, podcasts and PestFacts WA newsletter.